Here is your quick update for Monday night on Spell. Now this one is up today, which is really fantastic to see. Come out to this chart, which is a simple one, a gain of about 10.2%. Now we're going to have a look at this in the video. As always guys, if you can, leave a like and subscribe. But remember, this is only my personal opinion and not financial advice. But once again, if you enjoy it, subscribe, as I will know to make more of these videos in the future. And leave a comment if you want to as well. Now we're going to dive in. I'm going to start off just quickly going over the simple chart and the pattern for the day. Really simple, really easy to look at, quite flat for the majority until this point around here, where you can see at about 12:04 PM UK time, we had the first dip, which led on to this massive spike. Now this took us from a price point which was exactly on 0.22 all the way up to this high, just over the 2.6 level. So big gains in a short period of time. It's nice to see, and of course it is the first Monday that we are back, so it is a first official trading day, and this really was going to be quite definitive with this one, and of course it has gone on to be just that. Let's go on to have a look at the levels that we're trying to have a look at for today and the levels that we're trying to maintain. So as far as the bottom level that we want to be hitting, we want to be finding a support around the 248 range. That's what I want to see. Now the reason why I picked this level, a bit of difficulty getting above it, so it has worked as a resistance. It's coming to being a support though more recently. We're coming quite close to that level, so can we actually maintain it? Hard to say. Of course, you know, it's not too far away from where we actually are right now, so I think it's not impossible that we can maintain above this level. You'll see we're just touching upon it, so it could be 50-50. Now if we drop below that point, we're looking to go possibly down as low as the point of 24.3. Now I picked this level because once again support and resistance we have seen, and with this one, if it was to drop past that first level of support, I think that's completely fine. After a gain of about 10% that we're seeing today, I think it is okay to see us give back some profits, as people are going to be taking their profits, and of course people are going to be utilizing the opportunity hopefully to buy the dip. But as I have said all the time, when we see big rises with stocks and cryptos, unless there are special circumstances for it, I think it is most likely that we're going to see a sell-off afterwards, and that isn't a bad thing at all, because when we think about it, it gives people the opportunity to take profit, and it gives people the opportunity who want to buy in at the dip to do exactly that. So it's great. We're coming back to where we were at this level back here. Now we actually did have difficulty breaking past the level of 246, so you'll see we've done that right now, which is really good. Past there, we're looking to get as high as this level first, which is going to be at 250. So 250 would be a nice level to push past. We've been there in the past for this period, but recently it's been quite difficult. And again, coming out to that one day, you will see we've been above 250, of course we have, but come down a bit lower to where we are at 250, so 250. Right now we're having that difficulty getting past it. So we've done it already today. I want to see it come back in as a potential level of resistance, so hopefully we can smash past that. And as you guys should know by now, when I give you this data, it is only my opinion, but what I'm trying to do is give you the best case and the worst case scenario. It's not for me to decide what you should do, because I am not a financial advisor, I am not a professional. But what I can do is highlight some levels to me which I find interesting, and then you guys can see, okay, this is what I personally think is the high-end possibility or the low-end possibility. And you guys can, of course, do your own research and then just use this as something extra to hopefully, you know, entertain you a little bit, but also give you a little bit of a guidance of what I personally am looking for when I am giving you my opinion. So yeah, I'm feeling fairly confident about this one. If we were to see a little bit of a drop, again, I wouldn't be too worried about that, because coming out to the simple again, you'll see how much we are up. So yeah, we're going to drop inevitably. It's just about finding that support right now. We're looking for it at the levels that I highlighted. So it shouldn't be too far away, hopefully. So if tomorrow is red by 1, 2, 3%, I don't think that's bad at all, so I am expecting that. Alternatively, we could have the opposite thing, and this could have already been the sell-off, and we could be getting ready to push up again. So again, that's giving you both sides of what I am looking for. Hope you did find the video useful. I'll see you all again guys tomorrow. Goodbye.